Hey friends, I made a delicious and healthy stir fry for lunch. Here's how I made it. Let's go. Hi friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a very easy and healthy recipe. It's just this frozen bag that comes from Aldi that's teriyaki stir fry, and it comes with a bag of soy sauce. Now I had the bag in the middle just to heat it up, and I had the lid on top so that everything inside gets warmed up. Now this is just like $3 or $4, and it's a meal for the whole family, and it has lots of good veggies in there. It does have a little bit of noodles, so it's not totally gluten-free, but it doesn't have a whole lot, so that's kind of nice. In the past I've added things in here, but I think we're just gonna have it like this today. So we're gonna try it just how it is. I'm gonna add in the soy sauce. So if you wanted to add like chicken or something to this, this comes with a little bit of mushrooms in there, some little corns. I guess, is that called corn? I don't know what this is called, but it's yummy. Maybe mini corn, I don't know. It says here, heart healthy, 0 trans fat, cholesterol and fat free, right? Sauce packet included. It's got the nutrients on the back. And it's really just a bunch of vegetables, and it's healthy and yummy, and it's stir fry, so love it. It's got the peppers in there, some snap peas. It's a good mixture, and it's a good price. And yeah, hopefully my family likes it. It looks super yummy. I'm definitely going to eat it really well. I think my kids will too. In the past, I've made some ramen noodles and added it in there, or added other vegetables as well. So do whatever you want. It's yummy. I have just a little bit of this pepper stir fry from Dollar Tree left over, just to put a little bit more onion and peppers in there, just to add a little bit more flavoring, so that I can warm up. Alright, here I have a drained can of tuna. I think a can of chicken would be yummier, but I'm just working with what I have. We're in a snowstorm right now, so cook what you got. I think it'll be good. Just for a little bit extra protein in there. Should be yummy. We've been having a lot of fish lately, especially salmon. We've been having a lot of. The salmon's real healthy and good for you, and lower, just more nutrients and lower things that are bad for you, you know what I mean? Okay, I've got the lid on at medium heat. Okay, I've got more soy sauce. I'm gonna add it in. Oh, it is smelling super good. Smells really yummy, like Chinese food, you know? I just decided to make some ramen noodles to put in for my family because they really like noodles. So, and this is just a cheap way to make more food for the whole family to eat.